Subscriber management. Whether you're just starting or looking to streamline your processes, following these steps will guide you through organizing your audience efficiently. First, let's dive into creating a new tag. Begin by logging into your Convertkit account. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the top menu and click on Grow. From this drop-down, select Subscribers. Now, on the right-hand side of the page, you'll notice a button labeled plus create a tag. Click on that and a prompt will appear asking for a name. It's a good idea to be specific with your tag names. Something like webinar attendee or downloaded ebook works well. This specificity will help you recognize and organize your subscriber groups later. After naming your tag, go ahead and click Save. Next up, we'll talk about applying tags to subscribers, and you can do this in a couple of ways. To add tags manually, head over to the subscriber section once again. Here, you can select one or more subscribers by clicking their names. With your subscriber selected, look for bulk actions and choose Add Tag. This method is straightforward and allows you to manage your subscribers with precision. Another way to apply tags is automatically using forms or automations. For instance, when you set up a form or landing page, you can set it to automatically apply a tag. Let's say you have a lead magnet, a freebie like a guide or a checklist that users can download. You can automatically apply a tag such as lead magnet download when they download it. Moving on, let's explore how to manage your tags once they're set up. Visit the subscriber section once again, and this time click over to the Tags tab. Here you'll find a list of all your tags and the number of subscribers associated with each. From this page, you'll have several options. You can rename a tag by clicking on it and selecting Edit. If you wish to see all the subscribers under a specific tag, there's a View option for that as well. For those of you looking to get more out of your subscriber data, you can combine tags using segments. This advanced targeting tool allows you to create segments based on multiple tags like freebie download and webinar attendee. Finally, let's discuss deleting tags. Once you're back in the Tags tab, hover over the tag you're considering deleting. You'll see a trash icon appear. Click on it to delete the tag. Remember, deleting a tag doesn't remove subscribers from your list. It merely removes the label, so your subscribers will remain in your account without disruption. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively create, manage, and delete tags in Convertkit, keeping your subscriber list organized and efficient.